Meteorologist Mackenzie Lake.
Good afternoon and welcome back to Newswatch 12. Here we have a live look out towards Klamath Falls where we're still seeing some snow on the ground from those recent storm systems that we saw. Temperatures really cool right now, 31 degrees in Klamath Falls. Pretty breezy winds as well, gusting up to 17 miles per hour. We had a cold front that moved through just early on today, so that's why we're seeing these very cold temperatures and a little bit of precipitation moving through the area. This cold front was very weak though, so any precipitation expected through the day today will be very light to minimal. You can see we're picking up on some reflectivity up towards those higher passes, most likely seeing some snow and then some rain along in coastal Curry County right now. If you have any outdoor plans for the day today, you might want to push them off for at least the next few days because we'll be seeing some more wet weather working in, lots of cloud cover, and overall today's going to be very cold and pretty gloomy. Temperature-wise, we will be into the 30s for those areas east of the Cascades. Along the I-5 corridor, temperatures into the 40s, getting up to 43 degrees here in Medford. This is well below average. By this time in March, we actually should be up to around 58 degrees. So you can see that cold front really did impact us, and a lot of that Arctic air sitting over us is what's keeping us so cool. We're expecting to see some more wet weather, mainly for those areas west of the Cascades, trace amounts for those east side areas, and then possibly some more breezier conditions for Klamath and Lake County as well. For the night though, those showers will start to taper off. We'll still see plenty of cloud cover, but our main concern for the night is going to be temperatures. Take a look at how cool we'll get for those east side areas, getting down to 8 degrees for the night in Lakeview, only 15 degrees for the night in Klamath Falls. Here in the Rogue Valley, it'll be a pretty similar night to what we saw just last night, so getting well below freezing, getting down to 26 degrees. So now let's time out this storm system that we're actually currently seeing. You can see the most amount of precipitation expected for Curry County, but once the storm system moves in, we actually could be seeing a mixture of rain and snow here in the Rogue Valley. We're going to expect to see some very minimal precipitation, if any. Those snow levels look to be around 1,500 to around 3,000 feet, and then lots of cloud cover continuing on overnight, and then we'll be seeing some lingering showers as we head on into Friday, but then Friday into Saturday is when we're really tracking this next storm system. You can see here, Saturday at around 5 o'clock in the morning, our models are showing some heavy precipitation, those snow levels lowering very significantly, and we could be seeing some more snow here in the Rogue Valley. Those snow levels that I mentioned for the day today though, you can see ranging around 2,000 feet right around now, and then getting down to around 2,000 feet continuing to be 2,000 feet by around 10 p.m. tonight. As far as what we're seeing precipitation-wise with snowfall, of course the higher elevations could be seeing the most amount of snowfall, possibly even some trace amounts for Grants Pass. And then Saturday into Sunday, this is the next storm system that we're really tracking, because this one looking to be much more potent than the one we're seeing today. Gusty winds, travel impacts as well, lower snow levels, but we still have lots of timing and different things to keep an eye on. We also still have a winter storm watch in effect for most of Siskiyou County and for Josephine and Curry County as well with this storm system this weekend. So we'll keep an eye on all of these traveling conditions and the rain and snow we are expecting to see. As far as for your 7-day forecast for the coast, temperatures into the 40s for the work week, lots of wet weather ahead. Northern California, temperatures well below average, pretty cool overnight, well below freezing. For the Klamath Basin, 30s expected for the work week. It's going to be a really cool night tonight, and so cool early morning on Friday as well. Keep that in mind. For the mountains, temperatures in the 30s for the work week, and then here in the Rogue Valley, chance for some rain-snow mixture through the day today. Staying more dry for our Friday, but then lots